Hello everyone. In this video I'll be sharing with you this very powerful antioxidant drink or smoothie that will nourish your system with the right nutrients you need to always have that flawless, youthful, beautiful skin. Plus it helps to repair your skin cells from damaging, so you always stay looking beautiful with good health as well. So in order to come up with our drink or smoothie, the first ingredient I'll be using will be grapes. So as you can see, I buy a lot of fruits. I spend my money on them, so I nourish my system with the right nutrients for me to stay healthy, free of sicknesses, and equally to have my skin always looking youthful, so I don't pay money later on to doctors and to surgeons to have my skin looking youthful and healthy. So I just spend my money now. So if you love to take care of yourself, join my journey. So in order to come up with our drink, the first ingredient I'll be using will be grapes. So I'll be using like a handful of these red grapes. These red grapes are very good. They contain large amount of a very good antioxidant called resveratrol. Very expensive supplement sold at supplement stores for around $99. You can just find in red grapes. Very healthy. If you want to stay healthy, go for these grapes. They are very healthy. So they will nourish your system with antioxidants to prevent your skin cells from damaging, so you always have that fresh, radiant, youthful looking skin, plus good health as well. So this is our first ingredient. The second ingredient for our very powerful antioxidant drink or smoothie will be green grapes. So these are still grapes. If you notice, I use a lot of grapes in this drink or smoothie because of the antioxidants contained in these grapes. These are the one of the richest sources of antioxidants you can ever get. And antioxidants are what help prevent your skin from damaging, repair your skin from the inside against skin issues like hyperpigmentation, blemishes, for you to always have that beautiful radiance to your skin. Like, this is so good. So I'll be using a handful as well of these grapes. They are loaded with vitamin C as well to give you that healthy glow from the inside. So a handful of these green grapes, a handful. So what I do is I really love to wash my ingredients well, because most of these fruits, they are sprayed with pesticides to protect them from getting bad before they get to the market. So I'll just leave them for like 10 minutes, wash off, and I'll show you what I do anyway. So with that said, the third ingredient I'll be adding in here will be apples. So apples are very good as well for the skin. They are loaded with a little bit of almost all the nutrients your skin needs. That is why even doctors say an apple a day takes you away from them, because it contains a lot of nutrients you need, a lot of phytonutrients. It is alkalizing to form a disease fighting barrier in your system, so nutrient dense. So for this smoothie of today, I'll be adding 2 apples. You want to wash your apples thoroughly and slice into some good little sizes you can easily like come up with the drink. So apples contain vitamin C, like most especially to, which is that form of antioxidant to fight free radical damage. So we are having antioxidants in these apples in the form of vitamin C to fight free radical damage. That way, it repairs your skin from the inside. You are free from all those free radical issues like premature aging on the skin, blemishes, like leaving your skin so radiant and beautiful from the inside. So you want to slice into some good sizes that you can easily like blend, and voila, this is it. So I'll be transferring in this bowl to rinse again, because I really love washing my ingredients over and over again. So this is it, rinse the second time. That is my apple. Let me rinse my the grapes. You remember I put in vinegar, so after 10 minutes I've washed the vinegar out of the green grapes, and now I want to wash the vinegar out of the red grapes. So you want to always clean your grapes, most especially these fruits, that most especially fruits, you want to always clean them well because they are sprayed to be protected. The next ingredient I'll be adding, which is a very powerful source of antioxidant as well, will be berries. So I'll be using my strawberries. So you can use like five, six, seven. If you exaggerate like me, you can use like eight strawberries. Yeah, I don't joke with my health. Like, this is something I spend my money on because I want to always stay looking youthful, radiant, and with good health as well. So I don't joke. I don't want to spend money, give my money to doctors and surgeons to reverse aging on my skin or fight aging for me or fight illnesses and sicknesses. Like, I just treat my skin now. So I always stay healthy with good skin. So these are berries I'll be using here. Another very powerful source of antioxidant to repair your skin and have it always looking youthful. So what I want to do now is I'll put all my ingredients in my blender and have them blended. So that is my apple, my strawberries, my red grapes, and my green grapes. This is a colorful, like, this is antioxidant. I'm adding some ice blocks to chill it because I love having my smoothies chilled. This is powerful. This is powerful. Like, when you talk of antioxidant that you can buy with so much dollars, that you can actually just buy fruits, this will save you from buying those very expensive supplements. Like, this is a supplement you're having now to repair your skin, nourish your system with all those nutrients to have it looking always beautiful, because antioxidants help fight the effects of free radical destroying our skin, causing premature aging, hyperpigmentation, blemishes. Like, this leaves your skin so radiant, fresh, and youthful. So you want to transfer your drink in your bottles. You can share with your boyfriend, your husband, your kids, make in larger quantities and have this like a lifestyle. Nourish your system all the time to have it always nourished and looking so healthy. Like, this is so good. I can't reiterate enough. You can have this anytime. It doesn't matter. You can have it in the morning, afternoon, evening, whenever. Like, this can just be like a replacement of all those sugary pops, like unhealthy drinks you buy. Like, just replace them with these healthy recipes, and trust me, you will enjoy them while consuming them and while still nourishing your system with a lot of nutrients you need to always have that beautiful, radiant glow to your skin. So nourishing. And this particular recipe, it is so yummy. You want to try and come back and tell me how it went. If you loved it, come back and let me know. Yeah. I hope someone finds these videos helpful. Share with your family and friends. Share with everyone close to you so we can all stay healthy with beautiful skin. Stay away from spending money giving to doctors and plastic surgeons to reverse aging on our skin, and always look youthful and, yes, younger. Thank you for your time. Thank you for watching, and see you again in my next video. Bye.